I'm Christian Mako, a product manager at the JAIC, and I'm here to talk about the JAIC's Needs Assessment and AI Readiness program. Here at the JAIC, we have everything necessary to take you from problem identification, beginning with assessing if AI is a viable option, to production and deployment of your desired solution. Our goal is to match expertise and resources with your specific needs. We can match you with experts across a variety of sectors, including AI, warfighting functions, data, and more. A needs assessment can be tailored to fit your requirements, whether you're looking for something deeply technical or surface level. Ideally, this process enables everyone involved to take a step back and look at the problem as a whole, along with understanding how AI works and what the implementation, support, and sustainment of your future AI program or solution looks like. In a typical needs assessment, we'll start by having a discussion with you about the issues you want to solve, walking you through your process, problem, and digging into the root causes of it. A successful needs assessment will end in a problem statement and next steps towards an AI or non-AI related solution. As an example, if you want an AI tool to sort email for you, telling you which emails are important and which you can ignore, the root of that problem might be that your organization sends too many emails and includes people on those emails who don't need that information. Cleaning up your inbox should be a cultural shift in this case, not an AI tool. For the AI readiness portion, we'll take a deep dive into your organization or team to identify your ability to sustain AI solutions, considering everything from data to policy to personnel to ensure an AI system is useful for many years to come.